Glooby Kids TV!
There you go. Oh, hi guys. I created something really nice today. As you can see, there's something awesome underneath this blanket, and I really want to show you guys. But first, let's call Daniel to see it. Come with me. Hey Daniel. What? I created something at the living room. It's super awesome. Come on.
No, I don't want to. I'm sorry. I'm too busy.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Oh man, what Noah? Please.
No.
Please.
It's fine.
Okay guys, come on. Welcome to my new invention.
It's just a blanket. Like, how's that cool?
I really don't get you, Daniel, don't you, Daniel? Guys, I think we really want to show you them. Welcome to my newest invention. Wow. My A-Plane 2000. It took me like a whole year to do it. You like it?
Yes, but like, I don't like the way you could just play with it. Like, you can only play with it. It's just like box in it. You only have box, like, and you have furniture inside the box.
Wait, Daniel, wait.
No,
Wait, Daniel. Please.
No, I'm sorry.
Oh man, Noah, what are we gonna do? What shall we do, Noah? I got an idea, guys. Just wait for it. Yeah. Oh, guys, he thinks it's just a little box made of an airplane. But I'm a genius. I know what I'm doing. He thinks I'm an idiot. So, let's show him the real deal. What is... Guys, you hear that? What's that sound? Whoa! How did you make that?
Probably
knows I'm a big genius. I know what I'm doing. And this is Airplane 2000. Can I get in? Okay guys, we need to pack our bags and go around the whole world.
We're gonna need these foods. We're gonna need some bread, some crackers, and some, of course, the important one, we're gonna need some water. That's our environment. And of course, we need to fill ourselves and get us fat with these Pepsis.
Puppies. You're puppy, Daddy. Eat a puppy. Puppy, Daddy. Eat a puppy.
And let's go, guys. Let's go for a flight. Yeah.